Good afternoon, viewers. Welcome back to our channel. I am Raju Upadhyay from CIMAGE College, Patna, Department of IT. In continuation to my Java GUI series, today I am going to talk about the tabbed pane of Java. That means how we can create a tabbed pane inside Java frame, right? So first of all, we will understand what basically tabbed pane is. Normally, we are getting a tabbed pane on the tabbed pane. We are getting a tab, and you can see it in many applications. Like if you are using a web browser, on the web browser also you are getting the tabs. You are making use of the notepad editor, there also you are getting the tabs. And every tab contain their own set of controls. So we can say that JTabbedPane is used to create a multiple tabbed panes, and these tab pane can hold another components. And we can switch over between the one tab pane to another pane just by clicking on the respective tab. That means in the one window, you can have so many different tabs, and every tab will carry their own set of controls. So let us discuss how to do it practically. So in order to do that, we have to make use of JTabbedPane class of Swing package, right? So I'm going to share my screen by which I can give you the proper demo of this. Right. So I'm going to switch to my editor. Hope my editor is visible by now. So we can start writing a program. We need to have JFrame, and over the JFrame you can have a JPanel. On the JPanel we can create a JTabbedPane, or directly you can create tabbedPane on the frame, right? So in order to get the JFrame, I need to import javax dot swing JFrame. This is the one class. Swing dot JFrame. Then we have to get another class for creating a tabbedPane. So for that, I'll write import javax dot swing dot JTabbedPane. Right. Then we can start writing our class. So I'll write public class followed by tabbed demo. And obviously it should be inherited, it should inherit from the JFrame class in order to get the functionality of frame. Within this, we have to get the reference of JTabbedPane class. So here I'll be writing JTabbedPane, and the reference variable is, let's say, obj, right? And we will initialize this inside the constructor of my class. So we'll create a constructor here, and within this we have to initialize, right? So in order to initialize it, we'll write obj equal to new JTabbedPane, right? And here we have to take care of one thing. Now we have to get the orientation or placement of a tab. Normally a tab appears at the top of the window. You can get it on the bottom, you can get it on the left, or you can get it on the right. So by default, it comes at the top of your window. Now, top of the frame. Now I wanted to get it in the bottom, right? So here we have to specify their parameter. For that, we'll be writing out here. Clear. For that, we'll be writing. We'll be calling a property of bottom. So I'll write JTabbedPane dot bottom. Keep in mind this bottom has to be written in capital letter, right? And then the tab pane got created. Within this particular tab pane, we have to create a several panes. as per your requirement. So what I can do is, we can write out here obj dot add pane, because we are going to add the tab pane. So sorry, not tab pane. This is the add tab, because we are going to add a tab on this particular pane. So here we can write name of the tab. So let's say here I'm going to write a tab 1. This will be the caption for the tab. And since we don't have any content within this, so I'll pass it as parameter. Then I wanted to have one more tab. So I'll be writing add obj dot add tab. Within this, I'll be writing tab 2, right? And we don't have any content for that also. So I'll be write null. So we have got the tab pane. Within a tab pane, we have added 2 tab, right? Now we have to set this the size of this particular tab pane. So I'll be writing out here obj dot set size, and let's say size is 100 by 100. 100 by 100 size I have given. This is the size given to the tab pane, right? Now we have to construct other property of our Z frame. So frame should have the title, so I can write set title. Now as a title, we are having a demo of JTabbedPane. So here I'll write JTabbedPane demo application. This will be a title on my title bar. Then we have to set the size of our frame. Or one more thing, we can add this particular tab pane in the frame. So here itself, I'll write add, then name of the tab pane. So there, here the name of the tab pane is BCA. Otherwise, your tab pane will not be appear on the screen. Now, we have to set the size of a frame. We'll write set size. Then here I can write, let's say 800 by 700 dimension I want for the frame, right? And after that, the frame, ultimately the frame has to be visible on the screen. So we can write here set visible to. So here I'll write to. Now, this constructor needs to be called when the object of this class is going to be created out. So obviously, we are going to create an object of this particular class in the inside main method, right? So here I'm going to write main method just by writing public static void main, and within this I'm going to write the required parameter called string, followed by array name. And here in this, we need to, there is a spelling mistake called PUB. Then we need to have the opening and closing curly braces. And as a part of this, I'm going to create an object of our class. So obviously our class name is tabbed demo. So I'll take this class name. And for this, we are going to create an object here in the name. So let's say I'll write O equal to name followed by class name. Right. And then we are supposed to save this file. So I'll save it. I'll be saving it. I'll write save as. We can go to the appropriate folder where we can save this. Within advanced Java, I wanted to save it here. Yeah. This is a part of string. So within a string, I want to save. The source file name is, the category of the source file name is a Java source file. So this Java source file, my file name is going to be a tab demo, right? Here I'll be saving it. Then let us compile and run. If you have any sort of error, error will be listed to you, right? We'll see if there is any error. There is no error. So we'll compile it. We have already compiled. Oh, I forgot to share this particular window, so I'm going to share it again. So I'm going to share your command prompt. I hope this command prompt is visible to everyone. Right. So what I can do is now this was the compilation. Now we are going to run this program. So there was a mistake. I need to remove this C. Then we'll run. You can notice out here, this frame has appeared in front of you. And within this, we are having a tab at the bottom. Tab 1, tab 2. If you click, this is going to be changed. Now, your question could be, how can I change the location of this particular tab? Now you wanted to get it on top. So we'll go back to the program. Clear. Again, I missed to share my output screen. So let me share it again. So I'm going to share the output screen. Now this is visible to you. And I was just showing you, this is the tab 1, this is the tab 2. So you can switch between the one tab to another tab. Now I wanted to place the location of this tab at the top of your frame. So I take this particular screen out. We will go to the program. Clear. So I'll take you to the program again. So my program is visible to all. So here at the constructor here, instead of bottom, I'll be writing out here top. So once you write at top, the tab will be appear at the top of your frame. Again, I'm going to recompile it. So in order to recompile it, I'll share my screen to you. So my screen is being shared. Now here I can give same command again. And then we can run this. Now you can notice, my viewers, you can see we're having a tabs placed at top of your frame, right? So that's all about this particular tab pane presentation. Hope you must have liked this presentation. If you have liked it, you can click on like button and you can share this particular video among your friends and relatives for the better knowledge. Thanks for watching this video. I'll be creating another video for creating a label control within the graphical user interface of Advanced Java. Thank you very much for watching this video.